Thanks for joining me for this national weather outlook. A fine sunny spring day for much of the country, but the feel of the day depends on how close you are to the east coast, because that is where the breeze is coming from. The view from space shows quite a lot of clouds early on, but it is tending to melt away. Many places seeing sunny spells developing, but a bit more cloud just pushing into the southeast through the afternoon. There's small chance of one or two showers here and there as well, but for the mass majority it is dry and fine. But that easterly breeze is bringing a chill to these North Sea coasts. Temperatures here struggling to get much beyond 10 or 11 degrees Celsius and feeling colder with the wind, whereas further west with some shelter in the sunshine, temperatures again getting into the mid-teens, and once more western Scotland 19, perhaps even 20 Celsius again here. So I say quite a different feel depending on how close you are to that east coast and that easterly breeze, which will bring more cloud across southern areas. One or two showers in the southwest this evening, and a few more could push in across southern counties through the early hours. But again, most places will be dry, some misty conditions here and there, again, particularly on the eastern coast. But turning quite chilly where we've got the clear skies, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England, where we have some shelter from that breeze. We could get down close to freezing. Most towns and cities will stay up at 5 or 6 degrees Celsius, and a slightly milder night in the south with more cloud here, 7 or 8 the low. On to Wednesday's details, and again, for most places, it's dry and bright, but there will be quite a lot of cloud early on across southwest England, South Wales, and a few showers are possible here, mostly during the late morning, early afternoon. May even be the odd heavy one before that all tends to ebb away through the day, so turning dry by the end of the day. Plenty of sunshine again for Scotland, northern England, much of eastern England too, after maybe a cloudy start here. Still got that easterly breeze, however, so again, quite a contrast in temperatures with easternmost areas 10, 11, 12 at best. Further west, mid-teens, but perhaps not quite as warm in western Scotland. We could still get 18, perhaps even 19 Celsius in one or two locations here. But generally that east-west split continues for the next few days. As we go through Wednesday evening, the cloud tending to melt away from Wales and southwest England. So again, largely dry and clear. Enough of a breeze to stop too much of a frost, but a few pockets are still possible on Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. We are going to see more of a change though later in the week. High pressure is dominating at the moment, keeping things mostly dry, just pushing up to the north, allowing more of an easterly breeze, and these weather fronts just edging in during Thursday, more particularly into Friday, bringing some wet weather, and also we're going to see temperatures dropping off as well. If we put the temperature profile on, there's the high pressure up to the north, easterlies bringing in this cooler air during Thursday and Friday. So with more cloud and colder air, it will feel quite a bit chillier by the end of the week. As I say, this weather front will be providing some outbreaks of rain as well. More details on that if you follow us across social media.